Welcome to the Old Dominion Freight Company presentation. Please join us in welcoming Brandon Jordan, Regional Manager, Human Resources and Development from Old Dominion Freight Company.
Good morning, UNCF. Thank you guys so much for allowing us to be a part of this great event that you are having today. So I have the great opportunity to kind of share a little bit about us, but more in particular, we'll be sharing a little information this morning in regards to our partnership with you all for our intern program, and I'll also mention our management trainee program at the end. I'm going to go ahead and get started now. So Old Dominion is a North American less than truckload motor carrier providing regional and interregional and national LTL services through a single integrated union-free organization. We've been in service for 88 years. We have over 25,000 employees. We did in 21 $5 billion in revenue, and we have 255 locations across the United States. We have 12% market share of the LTL segment in the transportation services, and we are the second largest LTL carrier in the nation. So here's a little bit more about our success story. OD ranks as the #1 LTL carrier for quality 12 straight years. And here's the things that we are kind of graded on, if you will. Shipments picked up when promised, shipments delivered when promised, competitive transit times, carrier is trustworthy, and drivers are courteous and professional. So we'll now talk about the objective of our intern program. Our goal here is to identify future leaders for the organization. We want to make sure that we give them an opportunity to be educated. We want to educate the new workforce on operational complexities within the freight industry. We want to create process improvements to increase our efficiency and productivity. We like doing this because it allows us the opportunity to partner with colleges and universities that align with our mission and business values. So this slide here highlights our partnership with UNCF in regards to our intern program. So the summer 2023 internship, we'll be selecting juniors for this paid 2023 summer in-person internship with our company, the Old Dominion Freight Incorporated. It will be placed in one of the following locations: Atlanta, Columbus, Harrisburg, Morristown, Tennessee, Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Jackson, Mississippi, and Greensboro, North Carolina. The UNCF Student Leadership Conference. Prior to the start of the internship, students will participate in the UNCF Student Leadership Conference. This 4-day professional development and leadership conference in Washington, D.C. aims to provide a framework and forum for equipping students with the skill set that they will need to be successful as interns and early career professionals. During the SLC, participants will enhance critical thinking skills, develop stronger project management abilities, improve verbal and written communication, sharpen workplace productivity, hone quality workplace readiness and etiquette, improve networking skills, and experience highly motivating industry, corporate, and national leaders. So this highlights our criteria for the intern program. All qualified participants of the UNCF Old Dominion Scholars Program must meet the following eligibility requirements. A junior undergraduate student enrolled full-time at an accredited educational institution must be a junior at the time of the application. Minimum GPA is 3.0 on a 4.0 scale. A U.S. citizen or permanent resident, majoring in business, logistics, supply chain management, communications, information technology, or industrial engineering, business at the undergraduate level. To be considered, candidates must submit the online application for the program, a one-page personal statement of career interest, resume, and current transcript. All application materials must be received by the application deadline. And here at the bottom, you'll see our UNCF contact. He's Pierre. He's the relationship manager, and his contact information is there below. So the program introduces college students going into their senior year to the Old Dominion operations. This is a paid internship and based on a 40-hour work week. Overtime is available with prior approval. Interns will go through a 10-week training schedule to include completing a special project determined by human resources and operations. So the primary responsibilities for the internship program, they'll learn the dock operations by shadowing service center operations supervisors. They'll participate in monitoring the daily safety of each employee, learn and participate in evaluating and teaching safe lifting techniques, learn proper loading and unloading techniques and ensure compliance, learn how to manage employee work schedules and time off requests. They'll learn the service center operations and make suggestions for improvement, learn DOT and OSHA regulations and ensure compliance, learn AS400, our Blue systems, DIMS, and other computer internal freight monitoring systems, and learn to operate a forklift. So the internship is a feeder program for our management trainee program. I'll now highlight our management trainee program. The purpose of the Old Dominion Freight Line Incorporated Management Training Program is for trainees to learn about different OD positions and gain valuable insight and experience with a goal of becoming a service center manager. So our management trainees will receive hands-on training in different service center departments. Once hands-on training is completed in each area, the management trainee will fill in as a supervisor on various shifts. The MT will be expected to emphasize safety, quality, efficiency, and service. The MT also completes assignments while being assessed through knowledge indicators, writing analysis, management training materials, and recommending process improvements to operating procedures. The MT must successfully complete Old Dominion Truck Driver Training Program, OD Forklift Training Program to receive a forklift operator's certification, and other management and leadership training courses as assigned. Now, here are some specifics about the program. The management trainee duties include the use of internal computer systems such as AS400 and SAP, Microsoft Office-based programs, as well as other operational software programs as assigned. This includes submitting monthly activity reports. The MT also will participate in workshops and training sessions that focus on leadership and communication. These sessions may take place outside of the assigned service center and or region. Approximately 15% travel time to other service centers is expected as a part of the rotations, although certain rotations and operational needs may require more travel. After the 9 to 12 month training program, the management trainee must be willing to relocate. The position and service center that the management trainee is assigned to after the 9 to 12 month training program will be determined based on evaluations of the different rotations, existing business needs, and the MT's geographic preferences. So I want to highlight a little bit more about our culture. So I've shared a little bit of information about the intern program and the feeder program into the management trainee program. So I'm going to highlight our culture here. It's a family atmosphere, teamwork, courteous and responsive to you. Accessible and supportive management team for supervisors to vice presidents. An open door policy to express ideas or concerns with no retaliation. Open communication to connect through pre-shift meetings, one-on-ones, ODTV, personal messages, videos, OD family newsline, and employee surveys. We highlight celebrations of various milestones, cookouts, friendly environment. We are financially sound. We offer great wages and benefits with a strong 401k to all of our employees. Here's a video I'd like to share with you. I'll call a testimonial from one of our past interns.
Hello, I would like to give a special thanks to Old Dominion for giving me the opportunity to get hands-on experience and learn all aspects of supply chain management, which is my major. I would also like to thank Stacy Woolmack and Brandon Jordan for supporting me throughout this internship and making sure that I feel very comfortable, and anything that I needed them for, they were there for me. So again, thank you. This was a very great experience, and I look forward to what's to come.
All right, thank you. She's a senior now at North Carolina A&T, and we are looking forward to her graduating and considering her for a permanent position. So, again, consider joining the winning team at Old Dominion. My next slide will just show some of our facilities if you've not had an opportunity to see those. These are four of our state-of-the-art facilities across our enterprise. All right, that concludes my presentation. Any questions?
So while the questions are coming up, one thing I want to remind the students, we do have a company booth after this. We'll be there to answer additional questions and any thoughts you want to share. So don't forget to join us during that period of time.